Hello, it's me, Harper Savage, and today I'm gonna do a project that's taking up a lot of space in one of my drawers. Elmer Squishies. I don't know who I'm gonna get. I haven't opened this yet. I got this one from Michael's, but I found it for like less money at Walmart, so I'm a little bit disappointed that I spent all that money on this, but we gotta do it. So let's go ahead and open this up. It looks like a subscription box. Very cute packaging. Oh my god. What is all this? We got secret solutions. More secret solutions. Oh, this one's B and the other one's A. We got the cups. Ooh, orange. We got glue, and I'm guessing these are the squeezy things that help you squeeze out the glue. Or maybe they're mixy things. I don't know. I don't know yet. We don't know. We'll figure it out. And we have the mystery thingies. I can already kind of tell what they are, sort of. Or two of them at least. I don't know what this one is, but I can tell what the other ones are. I'm guessing these are the instructions. Yes, the instructions. Before we get too carried away here, let's go ahead and set up something to protect the area. Now, I did also go ahead and purchase some extra glue because it says you can use, you know, any of their glues with it. I got a pretty one here. You can't tell. There we go. Like a color shift one, like blue to green. But I am loving this orange, not gonna lie. Not a huge fan of the purple green being basic, but whatever. So I'm gonna sit here and study these instructions for a minute here. Okay. First we gotta squish, 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 squish. Squish them all. Squishing two at a time. Is to squish both parts for 15 seconds each, so I'm just doing my hand exercises for the day. Ooh, okay, I don't need scissors. So what you do with the thingies here is, I knew that these were paint thingies, but you know, for this. Squeeze out the stuff here. Oh god. Okay, times 4. Now you massage part B as well. Now we add part B 4 times. To me, it all looks like blue. Alright, both A and B are added. Now it's time for our colors. Now it says to add 1 glue pen or 1 teaspoon of your choice. So I'm gonna just try to match it because I don't have a teaspoon in here. Let me tell you. If you have any hand problems, this might not be the thing for you. Now, which color do I get rid of here? Because we have this color shift that has blue and green in it. So maybe the green? Sorry, green lovers. Probably should have set up the other camera so you guys can see from a different angle. Because my hands are just in the way. Now I'm just basing this off of the height of the other ones. Okay, now it says use your stick to mix for 1 minute. I hope it comes out nicer than this. This kind of doesn't look as cool anymore. Now I understand why they give you 4 of these sticks. Ooh, the yellow still looks good. It's just the orange. If only I had my own glitter and make my own glitterful. Ooh, that's so cool. Looks a bit gray now. Ew, did you see that bubble? I want this one to be orange. It doesn't say to do this, but I know a little bit about molds and resin, so I know there's probably air bubbles in there. So I'm gonna let it kind of set before I'm like, okay, done. I think I want this one to be the yellow. I'm trying to let you guys see what I'm doing here. It's just hard. And purple for this one. This one's a little bit crazy. And here is the last one that, you know, might not be as good as the others because I didn't do any measurements. Let's scrape off any excess. Getting all over my fingies. Might cry. Might cry. Now it says that they take about 60 minutes to cure. So I'll meet you back here in maybe an hour or so. Alright, we're back, and it's actually been like 2.5 hours since I made these. So let's go ahead and demold all of them. So you just unclick the sides, I guess, and pull it apart. Oh, what is this? Any guesses yet? Sounds like an alien guy. Interesting. I'm sure I can clean up around the edges. Like a sticky kind of squishy. Pretty firm too. At the same time. Alright, let's do yellow next. That looks like a scorpion. I don't think that's what it is though. Oh, an owl, I think? Very serious looking owl. Kinda wish I had done it in a darker color. Now the orange one. Looks like a fox or something from the back. I think that's what it is, a fox. I'm not 100% sure. It could be a cat too. It's hard to tell because this color ended up way more pastel than it originally looked in the glue pen. Alright, the last one that we kind of did on our own. This one stayed in the back this time. I think it's a koala. There is an air bubble in it, and that's what I was afraid of. The other ones look pretty good though. Still squishy like the others. Let me clean them up so we can get a closer look. Alright, so here they are, mostly cleaned up. I kind of got bored of doing it, so... So there are some bubbles in my purple guide too, but I think that's just because it's a smaller detail right there in the hands. Yeah, they're all like squishy and rubbery. They all feel the same. I think this one's a little bit thickier, a little bit like firmer than the others, but other than that, not much of a difference. I am disappointed in the colors though, because the cosmic glue and the orange got really desaturated once it cured. I can't even tell that this is like a special color shift one anymore, which is a little sad. But I still have a little bit more to show you guys. So I had a lot of leftovers, so I went ahead and poured them into my own molds that I had to see how well they would do in silicone mold. Oh, that's cool. I mean, there's air bubbles and the back is not great. I'm not gonna lie, I was just trying to shove the rest of it in there. But that is cool. Now let's see about this other one. Oh, that's a big air bubble, but still pretty cool. And then for this one, so it might be a little bit harder to get out, but we'll see. Oh my god, that's so cute! Oh wow, that worked out pretty good on the paws. Just need some cleanup, and they will be just like our little friends here. So here they are, like, more cleaned up. Now, the ones that I did in my own molds, they do have a lot more like air bubbles, like this one in the neck of the bottle here, and down here, and there's just like little bubbles in the paw print, and there's like one in one of the beans up here. I think that was more due to it was already curing for like a good 10 minutes before I could get them into the other molds, because I actually like left after I poured these guys up here to go and look for my silicone molds, and then I came back and it was already like really like thick, like it had started to cure already because it was curing. So I think if I had done them immediately, they would have turned out just as nice as these ones. The reason why I experimented with my own molds is because I'm not really a fan of whatever these creatures are. So I'm sure there's other people out there that want something squishy, but like aren't really a huge fan of whatever these things are. Like, they're not that bad, honestly. They're not that bad. It's just these are more my interest than these are. So I was just trying to show other people that if they just got the part 1 and 2 solution that I think they sell separately, you could just use your own silicone molds to make your own squishies. And also use your own like flavor of glue, you know? Because I was not pleased with how like lame this purple is compared to the other sparkly ones. But that is gonna be it from me. If you want to check out like a cool DIY video, you can go ahead and tap the thumbnail here. If you want to catch up on anything you missed, you can tap the thumbnail here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to do all the cool YouTube things of comment, liking, subscribing, and turning on that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!